This is going to be 2 days of competition which start from today onwards.
Procrastination.
Don't take a decision from your motivation.
If I want something, I just try to achieve it.
If you are not able to do this, and you know, but you are wasting your time.
Importance of good politics.
Which includes several sessions including extempore, debate, group debates, group presentation, Q&A session, and for sure, last but not the least, but I will not reveal it right now, I'll reveal it when it is needed, okay? So I'll tell you, this is going to be spontaneous, but for sure not spontaneous session like extempore. So we are going to start with extempore only, guys. मैं चाहता हूँ पहले आपको कि आप एक्सटेम्पोरे में किसी को चैलेंज करेंगे, राइट? Who you want to challenge? And I want to ask from the students of Marvelous कि आपके पास 2 मिनट का समय, आप अपना सोचे एंड आप मत ही सोचो क्योंकि ये आपको चैलेंज करेंगे और आपको वो एक्सेप्ट करना होगा. Extempore. Extempore, it is a kind of session where you have to speak spontaneously. Along with this, you will get spontaneous topic. It means you will get a topic on the spot. And without any prior preparation, you have to speak on that. You will get 1 minute 30 seconds of time, ultimately becomes 90 seconds. And you will get only 10 to 15 seconds of time to think about that topic. It is all about extempore. And I guess without further ado, we must start this session right now only. So the very first student who is going to perform, they are going to be Suraj and Kunal. Judges, ready guys? Okay, here we go. Your time starts now.
Procrastination. Usually, whenever we listen that word, we always think that it is a problem because society has mentality like that yes, this is the problem. But sometimes it is great to have procrastination because sometimes there is no need to do things at time. Sometimes you have to understand that if you are going to postpone the things, then you are going to come out with the better results. Because I was reading a book in which the chapter called "Don't Try." In that they explain that sometimes it is no need to try because like sometimes whenever you are comfortable and you are doing whatever in that thing in which you are good, so you are going to come out with perfectly. You are going to come out with better results. Same concept applies here. That procrastinations. Sometimes there is no need to do things on time. If you are going to do things if you are going to delay the things, then you are going to come out with a better result because it is great for you. And you have to understand that thing, yes, it is important to do that.
Thank you so much. We've got the very first performer from the Shield, guys. Clap for Kunal.
I believe in a thing that is things that are hard to achieve are not always valuable. We often procrastinate a lot of things. We procrastinate our homeworks, our friendships, our relationships. We procrastinate a lot every day, every minute. Even some people procrastinated coming here. 15 minutes, 20 minutes, they came late. Why is that? Why do we make mistakes? Mistakes made once are a mistake genuinely, but mistakes made twice become a habit, and those habits are pleasurable. And we love to procrastinate because it's there in our mind. We don't want to do work. That is how nature works. That is how nature has always been. Have you guys seen a stone that is thrown into a river? It always moves outwards. It doesn't want to stay there. It doesn't want to be at the center. It doesn't want to do work. All the waves move outwards. Right? That is how the nature always functions. That is how the nature has always been. That is a true state of nature. We move outwards. But why? The reason is because the peace, the things that we have been finding, the something that is missing in our mind, in our life, is there at the center. Right? The magic we are looking for is in the work that we are avoiding. We procrastinate the work, but we crave for the magic.
Okay, that's it. Thank you so much. वैसे आप खुद भी अपने आप को नॉमिनेट कर सकते हैं if you want to nominate any one of you. जैसे कि आप में से कोई नॉमिनेट करना चाहता है अपने आप को, so आपके ओपोनेंट को आना ही पड़ेगा. So you can nominate by yourself only. Okay, Kapish. Yes, who would like to speak first? Welcome. Go there. Your time starts now.
Never give up. A very common advice given to you on daily basis. But should you really follow it? Of course not. Because never give up is an advice that partially works. For an example, you are trying to learn a skill of running, but you are disabled from your legs. You have to give up on that point of time. There is no way you can do it. There are ways you can put an artificial leg, but you will never be as good as people around you. That is why there should be a limit to till how much extent you should follow this advice. So you should give up. You should give up at times you don't know what to do next. You should give up at times you should give up at times when you feel like you can't do it anymore. That's why we should give up. This common advice usually given by people is just a way to motivate others. It's just a way for them to keep them on a track without an empty goal. That is why we are told to not give up. But rather, giving up is a better option. So from next time, don't take a decision from your motivation. Take a decision from your mind. Take a logical decision. And that is why we should never give up. Thank you.
Now we've got a student from the Marvelous. Clap for Yashashvi. So, Yashashvi, your topic is why one should give up. क्यों give up करना चाहिए? Why one should give up? Easy to speak. Okay, your time starts now.
In this life, everyone gets some competition in which they are not able to compete. So that time, if you are competing, you're wasting your time, because if you know the result that you cannot do this time because you are not that much improved or you are not that much good in this skill. So I think you should give up, because give up the quality, this quality is literally nice. Someone feel that I should never give up, but the situation makes people that they have to give up, and this is the right thing. If right now the people are competing, if they feel that they are not able to do this, so they should leave, because they should give up, because that time they will feel that I am not able to do this, so I should improve. They will get motivated, they will get motivation that I should do this something, because this time I haven't done this, but in upcoming time I will make it. Just for an example, if a student got failed in exam and he knows the result, but still he is trying again and again, that sometimes it is a waste of time. Don't you feel like this? I feel this, because the true statement is, if you are not able to do this and you know, but you are wasting your time, so that's totally waste of your life, because at that time you can do something else, you can prepare for something else that would be beneficial for you only, that would make your skill better, that will make your skill sharper than earlier you were. If you are not good at something, then you can make it that time. So one should learn the quality which is known as give up. That's all.
Thank you so much. Ayush, message me. Okay, guys, I want next who are coming, by the way. Okay, Samarth. And would you like to come here first? You would like to come here first? You want to come? Yes, please go outside. Being selfish is necessary for growth. This is your topic. Your time starts now.
Hi everyone.
Hello.
Sounds good. That we heard a quote that I am here to build something for a long term. Anything else is just a distraction. So it is same related to that. You should be selfish for your life so that you can improve yourself. People are not improving because they are thinking about someone else. We come in competition, but we say that we should give the opportunity. Opportunity should be always snatched by someone. People always believe that if you have missed your boat, that should be taken by someone else. People always come with the mindset that if we are in a team, so we should work upon team accordingly. But how you will improve yourself? Once you are focusing about yourself that yes, I can do it. We can take the example of Cristiano Ronaldo. He works focusedly about his team, but he give his time to about his consistency, his routine, that how much he can do work effectively to improve himself. That cannot be a better aspect from yourself. Selfishness always come with the people, and in this generation, everybody is selfish for their self. Nobody needs a kind of a person who can help for someone. They are always being in a state of a mind that if I am here, I want this thing and I have to achieve it. I am a kind of a personality that if I want something, I just try to achieve it. It does not matter my brother is standing in front of me or someone else is there. What you can do for yourself is the like best and fruitful environment which can give to yourself. People always give a like kind of a scenario that if you are always there, so do it. But once you are giving the opportunity of yourself, that moment you are letting someone else to win. So don't do it. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Humanity, a term that we have listened from our childhood, a term that says to us that we should think about people and we should help them when they are in need. But is it literally necessary to help them every time? Do we need to help them every time, even if our situation is at the worst? If we are not growing in our life, are we supposed to make them grow? If you want to be successful in your life, you are supposed to be selfish. Not to a very large extent, but some selfishness is required. Because if you are not selfish, then your growth will be stagnant and you will not be able to grow in your life, because you will always think about humanity, about other people, that how they are doing, and you will always try to improve their condition, forgetting your own condition. And that will not make you improved. If you want to improve yourself, you are supposed to work upon yourself. And by that working can be done through multiple ways. By working on your confidence, by working on your EQ, by working on your IQ. But some selfishness is supposed to be there. When you are on your goal towards your goals, when you are growing, you are supposed to be selfish, and that selfishness will of course help you in your future times, in achieving your future goals. So at last, I would just like to say that be selfish in your life, and that will for sure help you in growing. Thank you.
Thank you so much. You want to perform first? Please come. That's nice. Okay, so Nachiketa, are you there now? And your topic is happiness is myth.
Happiness
Is myth.
Okay.
It is a myth. Can we start?
Yes, sir.
Your time starts now.
Guys, in group of thoughts, we always think that to pick that thought that makes us more happy, right? Like that only one of the thought is happiness only. That happiness is really good and it will be staying with us forever. But I really don't think so. Because every time happiness cannot stay with you. It will be for sure, you will be for sure getting stressed. For sure any time. Sometimes it is because of exams. Sometimes it is because of your relationships, and sometimes it can be because of any other thing. Because today our generation is going with a pandemic, that is stress, depression and anxiety only. So today we can say that earlier happiness was not a myth, but today it is. It is a myth because somewhere today we are having this much problems that we cannot even imagine. Generation Alpha, Generation Gen Zs are having a lot of problems, whether it is related to the schools or whether it is related to the colleges or any other sector or any other type of thing. For example, relationships. Today, each one wants to make their own girlfriend or boyfriend, and at that time when they break up, so they get stressed. Therefore, I think so that happiness is a myth.
Thank you so much. Clap for Image, guys. Image, ready? Okay, your topic is happiness is a myth.
Okay.
Okay, so can we start? The time starts now.
A human being, a personality. Every people know about this thing that a personality is a different from a happiness. A person want to be happy in their life at any time, at any moment. But it is a myth because a person who want to just keep grow in their life daily on the daily basis, but they can't be because they want happiness in any way, in any minute, in any time. Through the happiness, they can entertain their self, but they can't entertain their success behind the work they want to achieve. Every people know that everyone is here for their goal. Everyone want to focus on their goal and they want to complete their life with a one goal. But because of happiness, they are here to destroy their goal. Because happiness is a myth where a person can not grow and person cannot entertain even in a daily life. you all know about the happiness only is a one thing that a person can be entertained, and it is a myth because every person knows about that. The happiness, again I am saying that the happiness is a myth because every person know about that it is a myth. Because if I talk about, okay, in the reality, if I talk about happiness, what is the meaning of happiness? If a person want to happy, he want to just entertain his personality in a daily basic, in a daily life, in a particular, in a minute. So he can entertain.
Thank you so much. Akash, please go outside. Clap for Akash, guys. Akash. Oh, sorry, Akash कह रहा हूँ मैं. Aditya came as an spectators. Now he is the part of competition. He wasn't even aware of कि मेरे को participate करना है. But now you are here in the competition, so you are supposed to. So एक second मैं पहले marks देख लूँ. What is the importance of good? यही एक लोग टॉपिक है जो पॉजिटिव है थोड़ा सा. Importance of good politics. क्योंकि politics already हमारे देश में खराब है. So it's good to go with this topic. Importance of good politics. And your time starts now.
To run a country, we need politics. We need a government. So here one thing comes, importance of good politics. We all know good politics is nowhere in the world. But this should exist to have the country better. In all over the world, every country is dominating each other. But they are not thinking about our earth and having good earth for the future. They just need a dominance from other countries. For that, they are improving in their government, politics, or all the things. But politics would never improve. Importance of good politics is there because a country is developing. A country is developed, it is just because of the good politics. If politics is good, so country will automatically develop by the GDP and all the things. Because in the good politics, every individual will help the country to develop. In this, each and every aspect comes of a country. The good politics, it should exist in each country to help the other countries. In the good politics, the every member would not think about the corruption and all those things by which country position or the other things goes down, which can be improved by this having a good politics. Thank you.
Thank you so much.